Dollar, dollar, dollar. Dirt and money, no soul. Had to go and get it, ain't no time to kick it. Got a stack and flip for my foes. Dollar, 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 dollar. Please tell me you can hear me. Don't turn your back and don't neglect me. Just let me know if you need me. Dollar, 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 dollar. Let me watch out for my partners. Keep my money long, get my team strong. Let me run away from my problems.
Yo, what's good, original crew? It's your boy DJ Nuki, your girl
Sierra Nicole.
We're back on the channel with another
Kid and C original.
Welcome back to the channel, man. We got a good one for y'all today, man. We got best animals news bloopers. Yo, these animals don't like the camera. They don't like y'all using them for monetary purposes. They're like, you ain't finna. You get what I'm saying? You really looking like it. What you looking at the camera?
I was reading the title.
That's why I said best animal news bloopers.
Best animal news bloopers.
You trying to correct me?
No, I was trying to figure out nothing. Go ahead.
Cause your brain gotta click. But with that being said, man, before we get into it, make sure y'all check out the links in the description box down below. You already know where to go if you want to further support. Just always check out the links in the description box down below. Also, salute to you for the comment of the day. Yo, shout out again, man. If you want to be featured as comment of the day, man, we always searching for the comments. The best comments will be featured on videos from here on out as far as comment of the day. But with that being said, it's on the right. We go ahead and get into it. We go ahead and check it out. Again, it's best animal news bloopers. Y'all know we like the animals and pets. So with that being said, analyze. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what's about. You ready?
Yep.
All right.
Yes, it's breakfast time here for the sheep.
Millie's my favourite. Look how calm she is.
Did she really say sheep?
Yes, it's breakfast time here for the sheep.
Millie's my favourite. Look how calm she is as well.
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC7, would you not eat my pants?
Oh, I know it's a whole bunch of...
Boo-boo.
I'll take that. And
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to tease you. I didn't mean to tease. I'm sorry.
I think you just got told by a monkey.
I did.
This is Chow. He's about 14 years old. He doesn't like the cold as much as the tigers, do you? But he's choosing to be outside, and if it gets really cold, he can go into his den in the back. Right, Chow?
These three llamas show.
Why are you even at, like,
Bro,
why?
he already gave you the warning
He was
2-3
like, girl,
times.
I'm trying. It's too early. That's what he looking like. It's too early now. You got this camera in my face.
Then she gonna turn to him. Like, yeah, what you think? Oh, she finna get spit on.
Oh,
I don't mess with no llamas, bro.
Here Thursday night.
Look,
Here we are almost a week later, and they're still
She don't know.
throughout the area. Neighbors say they're trying to find the owners, but no one has claimed them yet. And now they're trying to figure out what to do next.
Live in Hernando, Mississippi, where there's been spottings of a cougar, and that's not it. That looks like a house cat, but we're just feet away from where a local man rolled his cell phone video on what some say is a cougar. I'll be right back with a live report.
¿Cómo? ¿Qué vino primero? ¿El huevo o la gallina? Enriqueta, le voy a pedir permiso un momentico a Enriqueta.
Get that bass.
Hold on now. Oh! Yeah, look how he ran off.
He all good. He all good. He had to laugh that one off.
Police have confirmed that a big cat spotted by residents in East Ayrshire is not a black panther. An expert has been unable to confirm exactly what type of cat triggered a search that involved a police helicopter. It was spotted around 9:15 this morning. Somebody's making me laugh here. In fields near the B.
Well,
That's...
if somebody was far, far away, right?
Bro, you still should be
and
able to.
They
You still should be able to see.
They probably would.
That
And
it's
then
little.
he like in his look, yeah. Because even if it was far, far away, it
You
would
still
be
gonna
up
see,
here.
bro. A panther gonna look big regardless.
Regardless, yeah.
That thing is
maybe
little.
somebody that was a little, you know, a little eyesight going bad or something.
730 between the villages of Drongan and Cole Hall.
अबे गाय आ रही है भागती भी.
You okay?
बना ले एक शॉट में.
Oh, the cow done got away.
हम ही ना घुस जाए आगे.
Man, why y'all still standing there? Nope. No.
Hi.
Oh no.
I made a friend.
No girl.
This is Reggie. Reggie is an 11-foot. Hi.
She terrified.
Yeah,
She's scared.
he's so
She's scared for her.
nice. Look at him.
If he get around that neck.
He's holding on to me
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. So you can support him, but and then yes, he kind of helps you out by grabbing onto you and holding.
Got it.
So
This is amazing.
All right, yeah, this is
much.
awesome.
Oh, you're so welcome. Thanks for having me.
Now, if you
Not
want
this
to,
way. Not this way. Not with the head. Not this way.
I think he wants to give you kisses, Terrell. I could watch this forever. Listen, if you want to check out some of these critters for yourself, oh my God.
He lost all his manhood.
Nah, honey.
Bruh, you cannot make this up.
That is so great.
He's so country.
He's like, girl, go. Talk to my
Are they
job.
looking at
The fact he really up there, the feet just dangling.
That's
Come
awesome.
on, bro.
And cats, they're not usually known for their love of swimming, but one feline in Northern Virginia is hitting the water instead of the gym in an effort to lose weight. Holly is a 13-year-old cat who dislikes the outdoors and other physical activities. But with encouragement
She
from
laughing
her
hard
owner
at him.
and weekly visits to the Hotel Pet Resort.
What's so
Holly
funny,
has
girl?
managed to lose 1 pound in 6 weeks. Stay with us, everybody. We've got a lot more to come.
You guys,
But you won't do that in front of the kid.
This is what you've been missing.
I told him that it was my first day anchoring, and the birds laughing at me.
Yes.
It's like you don't even know what you. It's like, bro, you don't know what you got yourself into. I just you up right now.
What do we have here?
We have here, he is called a Latin kookaburra.
Okay.
As you can hear,
How pretty.
they are native to Australia. And you can find them in all habitats. What you're hearing right now is a territorial call. This call is primarily dusk and dawn.
It's okay. Come a little closer.
Do
I'm
they
going to
know
stay
each
over
other?
here by Joni.
Do they know each?
No, hold him tight. Hold him tight.
Hold him tight.
He
said, I am.
That's okay. All right.
All right, Joni, you got it.
Talk about tight like this.
Wrestling.
Oh yeah.
How's your wrist?
I'm okay, but
You haven't had that workout since...
I wasn't thinking strong.
You gotta hold it tight, shit. And then she get it like it ain't nothing to her. You're like, I am holding it tight. What you mean? He like, I'm trying to make sure I stay alive first, but I'm trying to make sure he don't get hurt either.
I got
Joni, you all right?
I'm fine.
That tape, she scotch taped it. Oh, all right.
It held. It
That
held.
did.
See that?
I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, we got
Fine
the
job. And this cat has actually been entertaining us in the studio for about 15 years.
That's so messed up.
Got too excited.
I'll just hold on. I think you might want to hold him. This is Mr. Miyagi.
It look like you got claws out too.
Mr. Miyagi.
He got his name because he meows a lot, not because he
jumps a lot. I think we overexcited him. We had this little tail thing that we had him getting excited over during the commercial break, and he just literally, we saw it coming, but we didn't know it was going to happen on live television.
Now to the story of a pig that is inspiring others. One pot-bellied pig has certainly endured his share of problems. Chris P. Bacon was born without the use of his
I'm not laughing at the thing. I'm laughing at it. This is so wrong.
Y'all named the thing. Crispy Bacon. Y'all already get him ready for his transition.
not right.
Bro, that
awful.
Bro, that's so messed up.
He's so cute.
Yeah, you have to read this story.
So he ain't got no hind legs at all, or he just got one. No, he ain't got none.
He ain't got neither.
We cannot. Oh my God.
Crispy bacon.
On the New York Stock Exchange, prices were
Little
lower despite a
crispy.
late rally. The trading was very active. Ed Berger's coming up in just a few moments. The Dow Jones Industrials closed down nearly 2 points. An average share of common stock gained 4 cents. More than 37 million shares were traded.
They don't look good. It's turkey.
Oh, dang.
Our money reporter Ed Berger is prepared, I think, to talk turkey on inflation. Ed?
Tony, you know, the current inflation problem has made it very difficult to get any bargains. Now, it seems appropriate that
He like, girl, come on. Already go.
Diamond. A couple had stopped at the subway in Grove City for some lunch when they saw this little dog barking and honking at its owner to hurry up. The video.
What would you do if you in the store trying to order? Somebody surely blowing that horn. Then you look out.
It's
and
a
dog. Okay, you can't wolf him, but then you like, you really trying to rush me? You really rushing me?
Posted on Facebook. Turns out this is not the first time Diamond has caused a ruckus. The pup has been seen around town doing this.
She know, honey.
That is hilarious.
That is
I'm
crazy,
about to lose
bro.
it. But seriously, what a sassy dog.
That is exactly
right.
The boss.
This is why we can't show Todd
dogs.
pet stories.
Can I find this in Arlington? Oh, good grief, yes. Oh, boy. Let's see how long it is. Let's hold it out.
This guy is probably close to 5 feet. Texas rat snakes are going to be one of the largest snakes that you find in the Metroplex area.
What was that? What was that? I don't know what happened.
I think it's like a, what's it, a
It looked like his badge, though. It looked like his badge scared him.
No,
I don't
some
know.
jumped on him.
Texas rat snakes are going to be one of the largest
Look,
snakes
this
that you find in the Metroplex
Oh,
area. Get this thing off me, man. God dang. What is this thing jumping at me for, man? He likes you. Yeah, I can tell, man.
He's like, I'm saying, far away from you and all the
Try to get
critters.
back under control. You didn't tell me the thing jumped. Oh, God dang. Okay, let's try to get our composure here. You're all right. Yeah. The Texas rat snake can be up to 5 feet long, huh? That's right. Some of them can get upwards and approach 7 feet.
Hello, I'm Alvin Hall.
This one, look at this one.
Blow this. Okay, I'm ready. Okay.
He like, bruh.
He's scared.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's like, no, thank you. I'm good. I'm good. Honey, he was already looking, honey. We know who controlled the pack, though. He was like,
that fool's
he's like, no, we good.
Okay. Hello.
He's like, what's up?
Many investment schemes sprang up to take advantage of this investment opportunity. One scheme promised investors a 50% return on their investment within 1 year. Oh, well. One scheme offered investors a 50% return on their money within 1 year. To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless,
You talking about warning signs? They already gave your ass a warning sign. They done gave. Oh, my bad. They done gave you, what, 2 or 3 of them already? Mm-hmm. Come on, bruh. Warning signs. Move.
within 1 year. To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless, 4,000 investors plugged down 20 million pounds, seeing signs of
Is he
pounds in
chewing
their future.
the threads?
Sorry, I know. Sorry. To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless, 4,000 investors invested 20,000 pounds.
What do it hurt?
Sorry. One scheme promised investors a 50% return within 1 year. To me, that would have been a warning sign. However, 4,000 pounds in one venture. And I went crazy.
Why are we out here?
Several investment schemes sprang up to take advantage of this fabulous investment opportunity.
I told you what if he got
Several schemes sprang up to take advantage of the financial potential of these birds. One scheme promised investors a 50% return on their investment within 1 year. To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless,
No, they keep my bad. Bro, you could have filmed it from outside the gate. You gotta film it right, bro.
Sorry.
High five. High five.
Hi.
It's for you.
This is, of course, Dr. Kim Hammond and his friend Mikey. Mikey's like a toddler on crack.
This is
Mikey.
My God.
I have to tell you, Mikey is an emissary for our lakes and our oceans and some of the I'm losing my chair.
What you say?
A rapidly disappearing ecosystem, and Mikey can come to your house and you can go see him. Hold on, Mike.
Don't you want Mikey in your house, everyone?
He'll come for a visit and he'll teach you a little bit. And you can call Falls at Animal Hospital. I'll give you the name, but it's called Party Safari.
Mikey, like, what's this stuff you said?
Don't pull all the wires.
Oh, boy. Okay.
So anyway.
We're actually going to try to get to some questions. It's a little difficult. It's a little distracting. Not too much,
Why?
A little.
It's a normal day in the Hammond household.
Right.
Mikey turned, bro.
This is from Roy. My cat's diet consists of dry food and a treat of some moist cat food in the mornings.
Right.
He gets sick on occasion. The result looks like he didn't even swallow or chew his food. Should this be something to worry about?
No, it's not something to worry about, but you should definitely pursue that. And if, sometimes with cats, when they get sick, we use, it's hair related or it's eating too fast or it's too rich because the cats can throw up normally. So maybe use a little hairball medicine, give smaller portions, that kind of stuff.
All right, I'm a little lost
Nonplussed,
now.
okay.
Mikey got my scripts a little messed up, but I think our next question is from Sherry.
Okay.
Is that right, folks?
Okay.
Okay. Great.
No,
Great.
pal.
Sherry says, I adopted a setter mix from the shelter after she had been home for a few months. She became very itchy and lost clumps of hair. It resolved itself, but now 3 months later it's back. Any recommendations?
Yeah, definitely. The recommendations are go see your veterinarian because it could be a mange problem or it could be an allergy problem. And it's absolutely something that can be taken care of, but you have to diagnose it. Here's to the news.
He ripped up the page.
All right. Can we go to the next question? I'll read it off the screen.
You're like, y'all got me jacked up.
What can I do?
Come here, buddy.
Okay, this is from Jay Hillier. Our dog was diagnosed with a ruptured knee ligament. Could you please talk about the procedures to correct it?
Oh, ruptured knee ligament's really simple. It's all surgery, and depending on the type of the ligament, sometimes a specialist has to do it, sometimes your veterinarian can do it. But basically, they go in there and they repair it, just like they repair a human ligament, and your dog can come back almost 100%, depending on how much injury there is to the
Can you let me know the next time Mikey's doing
Mikey too aggressive, bro.
Depending on how much injury there is to
Let me know the next time Mikey's due in. I will be calling in sick.
I feel you.
Mikey bad it. Mikey needs some whoopers.
Mikey bad.
You can email your questions to petquestions at the WWL.
She slid back at him.
At our website. Or you can send us your questions.
Bruh.
Mikey
too bad, bruh.
Bruh.
Mikey too bad, man.
I'd like to meet Mikey one day.
By yourself. With that being said, man, make sure y'all spam us up in the comment section down below. Letting us know what we should react to next so we can always bring it over here for y'all, man. But as always, I do go by the name DJ New Kid. This is We are y'all.
No time to kick it, got a stack of flip for my foes. Dollar, 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 dollar. Please tell me you can hear me. Don't turn your back and don't neglect me. Just let me know if you need me. Dollar, 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 dollar.